Hey guys, I'm Surbhi and once again I'm back with a new lesson in your favorite channel Key Differences. Today we are going to discuss the concept of management. So friends, without further ado, let's get started. Management. Management is very important not just in business but in all walks of life as it makes everything systematic and balanced. In the most basic sense, management refers to the process of administering and controlling the activities and affairs of the organization, no matter what is its size, structure, nature, and type. It uses men, machine, money, material, and methods through proper direction, coordination, and integration of various activities throughout the organization. It creates such a business environment where all the members of the organization can work together so as to achieve the desired objectives. The primary objective of management is to get things done through others efficiently and effectively, that is, in the minimum time and cost, and that too of a required standard. After talking about the meaning of management, now we will discuss its basic characteristics which defines management in a better way. Universal phenomena. Management is universal in nature, that is, it is necessary in all types of organization and so it is common and essential in all the enterprises. Goal oriented. Every organization has a number of predetermined goals and objectives which are the reasons for its existence. These goals should be expressed clearly so that every member of the organization can work towards its achievement. Pervasive. Activities like planning, organizing, directing, staffing, controlling and coordination are common to all the types of organization. Multidimensional. Management is multidimensional in the sense it involves management of work, people and operations at the same time so as to avoid hustle and chaos. Continuous process. Management process is a combination of various composite but separate functions which is an ongoing process. It tends to continue as long as the organization exists. Group activity. An organization do not comprise of a single individual, rather a group of diverse individuals with different qualification, skills, competencies and knowledge are present, wherein every individual has joined the organization with different purpose in mind, but after being the member of the organization, they work towards the accomplishment of organizational goals. Dynamic function. Management is dynamic in nature, which keeps on adjusting and adapting itself with respect to the changing business environment. Intangible force. Management is an intangible force in the sense it cannot be seen. However, one can actually feel its presence in the way the organizational activities are regulated. Levels of management. Every organization has different levels of management. The term levels of management means the line which demarcates various managerial positions and their powers and authority in an organization. Basically, the level of management depends upon the size, nature, production level and technical facilities. In general, there are three levels of management: top level management, middle level management and lower level management. Top level management of an organization may include company's senior most executives such as owners, board of directors, managing director, chief executive officer, general manager, chairman, etc. The top level management set goals for an organization and develops plans, policies and strategies for its achievement. They are responsible for company's survival, growth and expansion. Middle level management. The middle level management is the connecting link between the top level management and lower level management. Hence, they are subordinate to the top level management but superior to the lower level management. It includes division heads, departmental managers, operations manager, etc. The main task of the middle level management is to implement and control the plans and policies formulated by the top level management. Lower level management. The lower level management is also known as supervisory, operational or functional management. It consists of frontline managers, foremen and supervisors. They are responsible for supervising the work done by the laborers. This level of management is very important as they directly deal with the actual workforce as well as they pass the instructions to the workforce given by the top level management. Functions of management. There are mainly 5 functions of management which are same for all the types of organization. These are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Now first of all we'll discuss planning. Planning is the fundamental function of management, which means to decide in advance what is to be done in future. Planning is mainly concerned with determining the long-term and short-term objectives of the company along with the development of strategies and different courses of action to achieve these objectives. Organizing. Organizing is all about assignment of duties, grouping of tasks, delegating authority, allocating resources, and scheduling the activities so as to undertake the plans in an effective way. Staffing. Staffing is to find and place the right person at the right job. It is very important for the success of an organization to place the right person with the right qualification at the right job to accomplish the organization goals timely and smoothly. It involves ascertainment of the number and kind of personnel required. Further, recruitment, selection, placement, induction and orientation, training and development, etc. are covered under staffing. Directing. In directing, the main function of the manager is to motivate employees as well as supervise them to perform the task assigned efficiently, which involves establishment of such an environment which encourages them to give their best to the job. Lastly, controlling. Controlling is the function of management which ensures that the divisional, departmental, sectional and individual activities are performed as per the predetermined standards. If there are any deviations, then the reasons have to be identified and corrective action should be taken accordingly. It is not wrong to say that the success of an organization is highly dependent on its management because it regulates the internal affairs and activities of the organization, which is reflected in its performance, profitability, and productivity. So, now we are going to discuss its importance. Achievement of group goals. Management helps in giving a common direction to the individual employees so as to achieve the ultimate goal of the organization. Increase in efficiency. Management aims at reducing cost and increase the overall productivity through better planning and allocation of resources in the best manner. Creation of goodwill. Management ensures a smooth and efficient functioning of the enterprise, which not just helps the organization survive competition but also creates a goodwill in terms of consistency, working condition, and profitability. Maximum output with minimum efforts. With the help of management, maximum output with minimum efforts and resources can be achieved. Basically, management is the process of finding out and utilizing the best human, material, and financial resources whose combination is able to generate maximum output. Optimum use of resources. When all the factors of the organization are properly coordinated and utilized, their efficiency can be increased to a higher level by reduction in waste material, idle time of employees, and wear and tear of machines, which saves the time, effort, and money. So friends, this brings me to the end of this lesson. I hope the concept has been clear now. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have any queries or feedback for me, then feel free to comment below. And do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't subscribed yet to never miss an update from Key Differences. Until next time, this is me Surbi signing off.